Alright, well, on this video, I want to address the issue of taking daily and weekly and monthly analytic review of your business. Yes, what I mean about this is that many times we don't know if we are progressing in a learning business or not. Because sometimes money comes to your hands, you spend, you receive money, income and expenditure, income and expenditure. You have some cash with you, you do all of this stuff, but you don't really know if you are really spending more, or if you are progressing, or if you're not progressing. You don't really know, because why? You cannot really trace it to your progressive make sure. So on this video, I want to address the issue of taking record of your weekly and monthly and even daily income trend. So what do I mean by income trend? Income trend is the ability and the pattern by which your daily expectation must be. Let's say you are operating in the $1 million business or a global business, and your daily target of that day work is, let's say, 50,000 naira or 100,000 naira. Yes, that's your daily target. So your target must be a day we supposed to work 100,000 naira or 50,000 naira or 20,000 naira, depending on the kind of laundry business you are operating on. And then each and every day you now begin to record it. Do I meet my target today? If I meet my target today, is good. You get? So you now calculate it now from Monday till Saturday. If your target is 20,000 naira or 100,000 naira or 50,000 naira, from Monday till Saturday is equals to 120,000 naira. If your target, yes, so your daily target is 20,000 naira. So if anything happen and the whole day you work 20,000 naira, thank you, you will not be spillover. You know, Saturdays things already happen like that. You don't really have this, so your spillover will not push on to Saturday. So that is your daily. So your daily expectation is 20,000 naira, and now you now push it to weekly. So what's your weekly expectation now? If your expectation of daily is 20,000 naira per day, then especially then that you look, it seems that, or it not really seems, that is from Monday to Saturday, now you now have 120,000. That is your weekly target. So now cross check and verify if that one really happen. And then you now calculate your weekly 120 times 4 is that's 480,000 by the month. You get? So by the month, and you now put, that's how you now know that indeed I progress this month, indeed I almost hit my target this month, this week, today. That's how you will be able to contain your growth structure. Yes, that's how you're able to contain your growth structure. So I really want you to go, even though you are a small business or you're starting up, try to get the target. It can be 5,000 naira a day, it can be 10,000 naira a day, yes, by faith, and then work towards it. That will be your target. So when you go to hit your daily target a day, like 1 week, you now go to your weekly, you now calculate everything weekly and then monthly. That's how you now sum up your yearly target. When the year comes to an end like this now, you now know this is what I able to achieve this year, and my last year was not like this year, and this year is better than last year. That's how you're able to score short it back. Once again, this is Palms Monthly Academy. Can you do it to subscribe to our channel? And don't forget to like our video, share it, and then don't forget question if you want to know more about the laundry business. And if you are there, you are new to the laundry business, and you want to know more skill, you want to start the laundry business, don't forget to give us a DM. We are here to help you. Check my YouTube channel at Palms Monthly Academy. You will see some videos there that will help you to grow your channel, grow your laundry business for small business to laundry business. Thank you, and God bless you. Bye.